What's up everyone? Today, we're unboxing the brand new DJI RS4 Mini combo, one of the most compact and powerful gimbals for mirrorless and compact camera setups. Let's crack it and open and see what's inside.
Pulling like an undertow, you've got me heart and soul.
First off, the box looks super sleek, classic DJI style. Right here, you've got a preview of a gimbal and the signature DJI combo label showing it's packed with extra accessories.
Anything for ya, I give everything for you. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I give it all, throw it all away.
First, we have the star of the show, the RS4 Mini itself. Super lightweight, compact, but you can feel the premium build quality.
I'd do anything for ya. I give everything. I'd do anything for ya. I give everything. I'd do anything for ya. I give everything. I'd do anything for ya. I give everything.
Next up, we got a tripod, extension grip, which screws right into the bottom for added stability. We also get a quick release plate, making it super easy to mount and balance your camera fast, perfect for creators on the go.
You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it
DJI also includes a USB-C charging cable and a few screws and tools to help you get fully set up.
I do anything for you.
The gimbal feels solid but incredibly light. It's going to be the perfect for travel, run and gun shooting, and vlogging setups. That's everything inside the box. Stay tuned because I'll be testing this out in the next video with some cinematic shots and a full review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.
Pulling like an undertow, you've got me heart and soul. I give everything, I do anything for ya. I give everything, I do anything for ya.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.